Anyone know what the line that starts with yoku mean? I put it in Google Translate and it said, shake well and drink. But where's the end? Thanks.
Let's zoom in the photo a little bit. What we have here is yoku futte onomi kudasai. Yoku has two main meanings, often and well. Next we have futte, which comes from the verb furu. In its te form, kodantai verb, last ru becomes te, futte. What does this te form do to our verb? Number 1, it's used when the speaker asks or demands someone to do something. Kaeshite, give it back, from the verb kaesu, to return. And number 2, it's used to indicate that there's more information ahead. Asa okite, fuku o kigaete, chōshoku o tabe ni itta. Wake up morning, te form. Change clothes, te form again. Went to eat breakfast. And this can be interpreted as I woke up in the morning, changed my clothes, and went to eat breakfast. Reminder: this and is an interpretation. Think of the te form only as an indicator that there's more information ahead. We are just connecting sentences. Getting back to our sentence, we already have half of it deciphered. So far we can translate it as shake well, and onomi is compounded by the prefix o, which is a honorific prefix. Next we have nomi, coming from the verb nomu, to drink, in its Masu stem form. You can memorize this Masu stem form by taking a verb into its polite Masu form and then taking off the Masu. Check the following examples.
What is this Masu stem form used for?
Well, it actually works as a sentence connector, just like the second usage of the te form we mentioned earlier. And then you'll also find it in structures like to go to or to come to. Okay, back to our sentence.
Yeah.
Now we just have to close this with Kudasai. Please, please drink, or drink please.
Hold up, why not nonde kudasai? I remember from previous videos that you taught us that the te form plus kudasai means verb please or please verb.
And you are correct, but there's a slight difference. Let me share with you a screenshot. I believe this will do it for you. Therefore, we wind up with shake well and drink please. Subscribe to this channel if you find this content useful, and don't forget to leave a like. Also, YouTube thinks this video might be of interest to you. Well, see you next Sunday. Ja ne!